I was waiting on the Google Pixel to come out. Surprisingly, Google sent me the Pixel 5a. In this video, we're gonna have a quick look on the main specification, unboxing, and give you my opinion. This is Variety Stick, and let's find out. Now, the Pixel 5 is a friendly budget mid-range phone without sacrificing with a great camera, great battery lifetime, and rated for IP67, which is a great addition from the previous Google Pixel 4a 5G. Also nice to see that Google has dropped the price $50 from the 4a to bring the price to $450, which is very reasonable in my opinion. For the main specification, you guys not gonna expect much difference from the 5a to the 4a, except the battery has been boosted now to become 4,680 with 18 watt of fast charging, and as I said, also the phone now is rated IP67 for water and dust. We still have OLED screen resolution 1080 with amount of PPI 415, which is in my opinion a great, and I have no any complaints watching videos, play video games on that display, with some of disappointing that the screen is still with 60 Hz refresh rate. Now for the main chipset, the phone has Snapdragon 765 5G, which doesn't support millimeter wave. In my opinion, is not that big of a deal because there is no millimeter wave here in the US yet, but in the time when it comes in, you might have a little bit of problem in the 5G. Other than that, the processor is a snappy, playing all video games, most likely you're not gonna have any problems or lags or any issue with this phone. Now the phone has 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and Google has decided no more SD card in this phone, so you can't expand that. But once you buy the Google Pixel 5a, Google will give you a 3 months of a free Google One for cloud storage, which is a good thing in my opinion, and the phone has 6 gigabytes of RAM. Now for the camera, one of the main advantages when you decide to go with Google Pixel phones that you will get the same exact flagship camera on the mid-ranger phone without any sacrificing. I mean, the camera has a 12 megapixel dual pixel camera, that's for the wide, and there is another camera, ultra wide 16 megapixel. It does take a lot of good pictures with the Google software, image stabilizing and artificial intelligence that Google push to the phone to bring the best results, especially if you take pictures in a low light situation. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixel. It does the job right. It's not the best camera on the front. It doesn't have a video where you can record 4K or slow motion, but it does the job right in my opinion. Now, one of the biggest Google advantage of having the Pixel in my opinion, the software on the phone, which is Google promise always to receive all the Android software updates, the security updates, and from my using Google Pixel phones, I have noticed they're very fluid, very fast, and a light skin that doesn't actually hurt the phone or make the phone slow down by the time. In my opinion, using stock Android is the best Android experience, and you're gonna have less problems, less bugs in the phone, and that what gives this Google Pixel phone a great advantage. Now, once you take the phone out of the box, you're gonna feel the phone is premium in the hands, despite the fact that the phone is painted with a carbon with metal frame and metal back. Now, Google believes if it's not broken, don't fix it, even that I think the design is a bit boring. But anyways, the phone has to 80% body to ratio for the screen. We have this little punch here for the front facing camera, and from the back we have that fingerprint, and the back of the phone is matte, so the fingerprint doesn't magnet to the back of the phone, which is a great thing. And this phone, by the way, comes only with one color, which is black, but it's kind of grayish. Black is not solid black. Now Google has eliminated a few features like the squeeze feature and the face unlock, and replaced this with the fingerprint, which is, in my opinion, works good, and I don't have a problem with this fingerprint, especially these days we wear masks a lot. Now simply this phone is gonna be for those people not wanting to spend so much money without sacrificing with a battery lifetime, OLED screen, a great camera, and a great software experience from Google. That would be a great fit. $450 in my opinion, not so much. I will leave the link where you can buy the phone with everything you guys need in the description box. That was VarietyStick. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you around in the next video.